Hi guys, and welcome to today's Intraday trading analysis video for the day. So in this video, I'll be talking about what trade I have done today, Nifty 50 analysis, and also how the indexes has been performed today, and also a little bit of pre-open market analysis. So I'll be doing all these things in this video. So watch the video till the end to get all the information regarding this. Okay. So according to my study and the strategy today, I have traded on IPCA Lab. Okay, so it was a buy above 1170 and it was a short sell below 1157. So if you guys can see, it has not performed much on a downside here. Okay, but you can see on the buy side the stock has performed very good. So it was a buy above 1170 and after 1170 has crossed, you can see the stock has went up and made a high of 1182, which is almost more than 1% of the stock. Okay, so as you guys know, I always aim for 0.5% or 0.6% of the stock, and that target has been achieved here. Okay, so you can see here the Nifty has almost made a new high for the day. It has performed in a very bullish way, and our target has met as the market has gone up. So this is why the buy side has performed well for the day. And also, if you guys want to learn the concept of making consistent profit in intraday trading, if you are a beginner and want to learn everything from basics, or if you are having losses and want to recover your losses, you can join my personal and unique intraday trading course today. So in my course, I'll teach you the simple skills to make consistent profit. No complicated things and no indicators. The main goal of my course is to make you as a profitable trader. And once you join my course, with my years and years of experience, I'll be guiding you all the required skill set to make you as a profitable trader. Okay, and the course prices are very reasonably priced. You can now message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me personally and to discuss with me. So now let's talk about how the pre-open market has opened for the day. So the market has opened exactly where it has closed yesterday. So you can see here no percentage change on the opening price. So it exactly opened where the market has closed on the previous day. And after the market has opened, you can see how well the market has performed for the day on the bullish side. The market has went straight up for the day. Okay, so this whole week was a lot of volatile due to the election news and all these things. But anyway, the market has gone up and closed in a higher section for the day. And you can see here it has closed at 23290. So the market on the day before yesterday it has come down, and that recovery has been done very quickly, I can tell. Okay, so as you guys can see from the chart here, so the market has fell till here, that is 21,301, and from there it has come till 23,270, almost 2,000 points recovery in just 2 days. So this is how the volatility was in Nifty 50 in last 2 days. Almost this full week you can see how well the volatility has been for an higher side. Okay, and this is how the pre-open market opened with no changes for the day. And if you see the indices, you can see all the indices are closing above 1%, which is constant movement, and Nifty 80 has gone up a lot for the day by 3.37% up. So this is how it has performed for the day. And also if you see the market overview, so we can see that only two stocks are closing in a down section, that is SBI Life with 1% down and Tata Consumer with 0.43% down. Only these two stocks were in a downside for the day. And this is the overall Nifty 50 stats for the day. So yeah, the market was bearish for the day. So this was a very volatile week. But anyway, we are able to make good trades for this week, and the target has achieved. So if you guys want to learn all this concept of stock selection and making proper entry and being disciplined in intraday trading, you can join us today and I'll be guiding you all these things more in detail once you join us. Okay. So you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me personally and to discuss with me. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.